Hi everyone and welcome to NodeGraph Navigator with me, Ellen. Today I'm going to give you a general overview of our Data Quality Manager, previously known as our test module. And we have developed a lot in this Data Quality Manager. It has a lot of advanced testing and it has more extensive test features. But don't you worry, this demo or this video will only be on a general level, as I said. And we strongly believe that if data quality is the goal, testing and test your data is how you reach high data quality. And we also like to highlight that you should analyzing your test result, not just only validate your test result. Let's have a look at how it can look like. As I said, NodeGraph is a platform. It is a data quality platform. And our data quality manager is one part of this platform. So that's what we're going to focus on today. It works for both QlikView and Qlik Sense. You start off with creating a project. Give the project a name, very basic. And once you've done that, you're creating your test cases. And each and every project can consist of one or more test case. And a test case then consists of items. And items is either a QVD, a QVF, or a QVW. You can add one or more item into the test cases. And once you have done or created an item, you're creating the test task, and that's basically what you will test. And depending on what type of item you're choosing, you have different opportunities in your test task. So that could be if you want to test more Qlik specific tests, we have the if the item exists, if it's updated, you can dig a little bit more deep and see if a field exists, or you can do the record count or the aggregation field. And then we get into the more advanced level where you can do assert testing and you can do assert testing on expressions. One really big news in our data quality manager is our baseline testing. And that kind of refers to a benchmark testing. So you can use it for Qlik Sense, where you pull in a QVF as a baseline. And then you can always see if any sheets or object has been added or if anything has been removed. So it works as a baseline. If you want to know more, please schedule a demo. We're more than happy to tell you more about this. We're going to put a link down here so you can just press it and request a demo, and we will show you everything that can be done within our data quality manager. Have a great day.